Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is essay on parrot in English. Parrot is a bird. It is very beautiful. Its feathers are green in color. It is found in almost all the warm countries. Parrots are so many colorful varieties. It has a red beak. Its beak is curved round the neck of a parrot. There are black rings. It has strong paws. Overall, it is a lovely looking bird. Parrot is a talking bird. It can imitate the human voice and says mittu mittu, Sitaram, etc. Parrot is a vegetarian bird. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, chilies, nuts, mangoes, etc. It builds nest and lays its eggs in it. It generally lives in the hollows of trees. Some people keep parrots in a small cage at home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos.